here. Welcome to It's All About the Cocktail. So I've got quite a few new subscribers, and I'd like to thank you. And I'd like to urge people, if you've not subscribed, you have to subscribe, because then you're privy to all the videos I've done and the ones that I'm going to do. So I was at the liquor store, a few things I wanted to buy, and they were doing some free samples, and they gave me a sample of this Ballotin Original Chocolate Bourbon Whiskey. They actually had 4 of them. They had a mint chocolate one, a bourbon ball, and a turtle one. But I thought this was pretty good, so I picked up a bottle. Now, a little card in here says you can try this as a shot, on the rocks, or in an old-fashioned. So I tried a bunch of different ones. As you can tell, I'm almost half gone on this stuff. But I kind of like it on the rocks. On the rocks, it works pretty good. It's 60 proof. It's not real thick. I mean, you would think like a chocolate liqueur would be like real thick, like a Bailey's type thing. No, it's not like that. Now, it is a little bit thinner because it got the bourbon mix in. This is what they say about it. It says rich flavors of chocolate fudge mingling with the vanilla undertones of the whiskey. Okay, and it's 60 proof. I think I said that already. Anyways, I like it on the rocks. On the rocks, it's pretty good. But you know what? I'm going to try it in 2 different ways that I kind of like, and I'm going to show you that. So, what do you say to get behind the bar and start showing you some different drinks, huh? So, I'll see you in a bit. Hey there. Welcome back to It's All About the Cocktail. So, you know, I wanted to think of a warm drink that you could have with this Ballotin chocolate bourbon. And I was trying to mess around with, you know, some Swiss Miss hot chocolate, and I mixed it up, and it was pretty good. But the stuff in the packet didn't mix all that well with the hot water. And I mean, it was pretty good, but you know, I want to think of something better. So then I was thinking, why not put in some coffee and show you how it is in hot coffee? And I thought to myself, do I really need to show you a drink, how to put in hot coffee? Put this in some hot coffee, you know? Not really too much that I'm, you know, showing you. I mean, that's kind of goofy. So I thought to myself, you know what? I make a good White Russian because I make mine a little bit different. So I thought I'd show you that. I thought you'd appreciate that. Okay? So let's do that. So the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to do 1.5 ounces of Ballotin chocolate bourbon, 1 ounce of Kahlua, and then I'm going to do 3/4 of individual. I got the whipped cream vodka, and I got a little bit of hot vodka. It gives it a nice little tang. And then I'm just going to do 1/2 of milk. Now you can use your cream. If you want your heavy cream, you can do that, but I mean, heavy cream is like too filling for me. So I'm just going to use milk. Sound good? Okay, let's get to it. Get to it, Ray. Okay, so 1.5 ounces of your Ballotin, which I've already poured in my little thing here. 1.5 ounces of Ballotin chocolate bourbon. Okay, now we're just going to throw 1 ounce of Kahlua in there. And then we're just going to throw 3/4 of each vodka in there. Look at that, it's got a little card in there. Angela Scala. Okay, I figured the width might be better than regular vodka because it's a little bit more of a fuller feel to it. So we'll throw 3/4 each of each vodka in there, okay? And then I like to throw little names on there. on the bottles. Now, I'm not doing that to try to shame people that don't bring bottles over, because there are those people, but I'm not doing it to shame those people. I'm doing that so I can thank the people, so I know who to thank who got that for me. Ed and Jasmine, thanks. You know? That's why I do that, so I can know how to thank. Okay, I'll throw 3/4 of that Atomic Hot. It's kind of like, you know, the old Jawbreakers, the old Fireball Jawbreakers used to have. Gives it a nice little tang, I think. Okay, and then I'm just gonna, this is just regular milk, regular 2% milk. You can use your heavy cream if you want to, but it is, like it says, heavy. So you can use your half and half. I'm just throwing a little milk out of the refrigerator in there, okay? So I'm gonna put about ½ an ounce of that. Then we're just going to throw some ice cubes in there. I'm just going to use my hands, pardon me. Okay. So then let's grab ourselves a couple stirs. Good thing you had that ready, huh? Okay. And there you have your Ballotin Chocolate Bourbon White Russian. That's a mouthful, huh? Okay, what do you say we give that a whirl? Let's check it out. Wow. That's really good. You get the chocolate from the Ballotin, the Kahlua, and then you get your whiskeys. You get your Atomic Hot is giving a little bit of a tang to it. So I kind of like this. So you can check it out. You can also alter it however you like. If you like less of something, you can pour a little bit less of Kahlua in there, a little bit more of the Ballotin, a little bit more of the vodka if you want. Anything you want to do. Because at the end of the day, my friends, you got to remember, at the end of the day, it's all about the cocktail. I'll catch up with you just in time for the next round. You know what? Send me a comment. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know how you like the Ballotin flavors. And, you know, by the way, Ballotin, they didn't sponsor me. They didn't give me this. I had to buy it. It was like 27 bucks. But I think I like it. I think it was worth it. I think you should check one out and get back to me and tell me how you like it. I'll see you later.